What's up, guys? This is 12 o'clock here. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. I wanted to share a little trick with you when you don't really have anywhere to put screws. As you can see, I'm changing the air filter on this, and my screws I'm going to set right here, but I don't want them to roll off because it's not flat. And you know, if you set them the wrong way, they keep rolling off. You know, so you don't want to set them with the head on the lower side, and they won't roll away. If you set them like this, then they want to roll away. See, just something that simple can save you so much aggravation. So if you set them with the head down, set them with the head up, they want to roll off. So I was changing this air filter and just wanted to show you guys that. So there you go. Hopefully that'll help you in the future. Well, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.